Hi, all. Hope you had a good weekend. I'm doing a quick recap video of the gold futures and GDX. Um, I've already posted in real time and on my Twitter feed and video of last week and where I entered and exit on the GDX and what my analysis were on gold. There was a buy signal on a daily chart, and that's on November 27th. The trigger was November 26th, and the entry was November 27th. And since we already made the ABC move up, we reached the symmetrical target, 100% target, right to that entry within 2 ticks. Just a perfect textbook example of an ABC correction in gold. That's a daily chart on the gold future. So what's next? I'm expecting a retest of that low. If we take that low out, we have a potential to drop down to 1444 or 1433. And where do I get these numbers from? This is a projection of a bigger ABC move from that's a B and a C, and a symmetrical target would be here down at 1417. But actually there's a lot of support area. First of all, this is a 50% pullback on a daily chart from this whole move. I'll go to a weekly chart and I'll show you that. So this is a weekly chart. There's a pullback. That's a 50%. It's a very strong support usually, or resistance. People watch these levels. It happens to be as well a swing high on a monthly chart. That's a monthly chart, and this is the same swing high, 1433.50. So that I'm expecting a strong support in that area. On a weekly chart also, if I want to do a projection of that ABC, a 618 of this move, the yellow lines, with 618 projection price would be 1445 or 14449. It's a good area, which is at the top of that zone I'm watching for next week. Keep in mind the stochastic RSI is in a sell mode, and once we start going below the blue line here, we have a few more days, 3 to 5 days going down into that, towards that target. Now, if this low holds here, then the whole scenario would show that a lot of buyers are supporting this area, and we might do another 1, 2, 3, 4 corrective or ABCDE corrective move up. For the time being, weekly is oversold, but monthly is still has a potential to go lower. So it's there is no harmony between the monthly and the weekly stochastics. But based on the market action, we have to watch this area close, the 1450, 53, and 45, and 33 support if we take out the 53 low. So that's just a quick analysis on that daily futures, gold futures. We'll see what happens next week. There is no setup currently to short the market. A good setup would have been if I was watching that projection area, but no signals were given for me, so I didn't short that market. As you all know, I went long here and exited here on that day, and that was on a GDX. This is a daily chart on the GDX. And I've posted that on my feed as well. The day I got the entries, the exit, and how I scaled out. They were all posted on a 30-minute chart that shows where I entered, why I entered, why I exited here just below weekly and resistance area. The market continued higher, dropped back to this area. I didn't add here. I was busy trading another instrument and on an intraday basis, and it rallied higher, and I exited on these levels, and then the market dropped down from that area all the way down to 26.97. So this is just a quick recap. GDX, the EDF miners, gold miner ETFs. It looks stronger than the actual gold chart, daily gold chart, but I usually watch the gold and see where the gold is heading, gold futures, and based on that I take my positions on either options, GDX, or Nugget, or GDX itself. So I will be watching what happens next week in this area, and if there's any signals or confirmation of if it's gonna hold these, make it triple bottom or continue lower, I will post on my feed on Twitter. Hope you have a good weekend all, and talk to you soon. Have a good day.